And it is deeply integrated into our platforms and throughout the apps you rely on to communicate, work, and express yourself. Apple Intelligence powers brand new writing tools that you can access system-wide to feel more confident in your writing.
Rewrite gives you different versions of what you've written, so you can choose the one you like best. Another way writing tools can help you is with Proofread. With Proofread, you can nail grammar, word choice, and sentence structure to put your best foot forward. Use Summarize to bring out the key points, and then add them as a TLDR right at the top. In addition to Mail, you can access writing tools system-wide.
ImageWand can transform a rough sketch into a polished image that complements your notes and makes them more visual. And it's available right in your tool palette. Suppose you want a better image for your architectural history course. With ImageWand, you can circle your rough sketch using Apple Pencil to open up an image playground within your note. ImageWand uses on-device intelligence to analyze your sketch and words and creates an image for you.
You can create images in 3 unique styles: sketch, illustration, and animation. In addition to messages, this experience is built into apps throughout the system, like Notes, Freeform, Keynote, and Pages.
You can create Genmoji on device right in the keyboard and match any moment perfectly. Just provide a description and you'll see your Genmoji appear right before your eyes, along with more options to choose from. You can choose from a range of concepts like themes. No need to engineer the perfect prompt. In a few seconds, you'll see Apple Intelligence creates a preview of what your image could look like. A moment later, you'll see more previews you can swipe through. When you have a really specific idea in mind, you could just type a description to add it to your playground. To make it easy to experiment with creating images, we've also built a dedicated image playground app.
We've all had that time when we thought we got the perfect shot and realized later it wasn't quite perfect. Now, the new cleanup tool will identify distracting objects in the background so you can make them disappear without accidentally changing your subject.
Apple Intelligence will provide Siri with on-screen awareness, so it'll be able to understand and take action with things on your screen. For example, you'll be able to say, "Show me my photos of Stacy in New York wearing her pink coat." And Siri will bring those right up. Then you might say, "Make this photo pop," and Siri will enhance it, just like that. And Siri will be able to take actions across apps. So you could say, "Add this to my note with Stacy's bio," and it will jump from the Photos app to the Notes app to make it happen. Thanks to Apple Intelligence, it has awareness of your personal context. You'll be able to ask Siri to find something when you can't remember if it was in an email, a text, or a shared note. And all of these updates to Siri are also coming to iPad and Mac.
We want you to be able to use these external models without having to jump between different tools. So we're integrating them right into your experiences. And we're starting out with the best of these, the pioneer and market leader ChatGPT from OpenAI. Now, you can tap and draw on your screen to point out what they should do on theirs. And if you need to assist more directly, you can ask for permission to remotely control their iPad or iPhone.
I get to it by just tapping the new calculator button right here. I'll just start writing out expressions like I would on a piece of paper. As soon as I write an equal sign, Calculator immediately solves it for me. When I make a change, the results update live, and I can go beyond basic math with all of the same functions from the scientific calculator.
And now I can tint them all with color. iOS suggests a tint color that complements my wallpaper.
This is a huge year for tapbacks. We've not only redesigned your favorites, we're now giving you limitless ways to express yourself by letting you tap back with any emoji or sticker. When you don't want to forget to send that friendly reminder or birthday text in the morning, you can schedule your message to send later. We're also giving you more ways to express your tone with text formatting. Bold, italicize, underline, or strike through any text.
To simply nod your head yes, or gently shake your head no to interact.
Call from Gam Gam. Answer it? Okay.
To access my phone, I just click here in my dock. Boom, and there's my iPhone, mirrored in a window right on my Mac. I can fully interact with it, all wirelessly. I can see my custom wallpaper, my icons are right where they belong, and I can use my phone normally, like swiping through pages of my home screen.
When you talk to Siri, you'll notice it's more deeply integrated into the system experience with this elegant glowing light that wraps around the edge of your screen. And you can speak to Siri more naturally, thanks to richer language understanding capabilities. Even if I stumble over my words, Siri understands what I'm getting at.